Hi guys, in this session we will see how DATEDIF functions will perform their operation in Excel. DATEDIF functions will return the difference of numbers between two dates, and it returns as a unit like year, month, and days, meaning DATEDIF function will use to get the difference between the start date and the end date in terms of years, months, or days. It is compatibility functions. It comes from Lotus 123. Lotus 123 is a Excel kind of software, and it was the earlier version of Excel, which is DOS based software. Now we have Excel is a window kind of software. No idea why it was sparse. It is only documented since the Excel 2000s get released, and from that time you can use DATEDIF functions in Excel in any Excel version. And this DATEDIF function has a syntax like this. Once you use DATEDIF, you have to give start date and comma end date comma unit in terms of years, months, or days. Start date meaning the start date you have a Excel serial number format. End date the same, and the unit years, months, or days. We have result of these six kind. Y, when you place Y as a unit, it will give you a complete year's difference between these two dates. If you place M, will have complete month's number. If you place D, you will have a number of days between these two dates. What when you use MD, meaning it will give you a difference of days but ignoring the month name and year name. In the same way, it will give you month's number but ignore the year's number. In the same way, it will give you number of days but ignores the year's number. Let's see what these means. I have here start date and end date. 2015 January and 2021 September. We have first day for these 2 years. Now I have to find here number of years between these two dates, number of months and number of days. Date diff, select the start date, then end date, then unit. I want unit only year. Now see, you will have a 6 years in between these two dates. In the same way, I gonna find out the month. Date diff, start date, comma, end date, comma, month. In the same way, I gonna find the number of days between these two dates. Here you have to give D. You have total 2435 days starting from January 15 till September 2021. Now, in all these three formula, we have given a single like these three. But what happens when we use two components all together in the formula? Now use date diff start date and the end date. Now I'm going to use YD, meaning it will give you a number of days between these two months, but ignore the years, meaning it will not care what years you have selected. I'm just giving the difference between September and January. That's it. 240 days. Now I'm going to use same date diff, start date, end date, and now I'm giving YM, meaning it will ignore your year number. It will give you a month number, meaning whatever years you have been selected, I don't care. I will give you the difference of months from September to January. Means 9 minus 1, it will give you 8. In the same way, date diff, your first start date, end date, and then you give MD, meaning it will ignore year already, but also ignoring the month. It will not taken care of what month you have been selected in these 2 days. I am just getting the difference of days between this and this, meaning you have selected the September first day and you have selected the January first day, meaning first minus first. What becomes 0? This is a what this two components formula is all about. This is the way you gonna complete these kinds of calculation. Now, if you want to have some text like your difference between given 2 days are ampersand, I am selecting this cell, then giving one space. These are the years and these number of months, months, and these number of days. These number of days. Now you can see you have text like this. Your difference between given 2 days are 6 years, 80 months, and 2, 4, 3, 5 days. You can do in this way also so that your result looks some descriptive way. So this is the way we will use date deep functions in Excel. Thanks for watching.